Imagine unlocking the secret to crystal clear vision and eye protection, not from a high-tech gadget or an expensive supplement, but from the vibrant, delicious foods on your dinner plate. Yes, it's possible. In this video, we're embarking on a culinary journey with a twist. We're not just after tantalizing our taste buds, we're on a mission to discover the top 7 foods that do wonders for our eyes. These aren't mythical ingredients from distant lands, but everyday heroes sitting in your fridge or pantry, waiting to unleash their power on your vision. From the lush greenery of leafy vegetables to the deep blues of the ocean's bounty, get ready to feed your eyes with nutrients that protect, repair, and enhance your sight. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and collards are not just simple vegetables. They are powerhouses of nutrition, especially when it comes to eye health. These greens are abundant in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 crucial nutrients that act as natural protectors against harmful light. The human eye is exposed to various light forms throughout the day, including blue light from screens and UV rays from the sun. Lutein and zeaxanthin filter these harmful rays, preventing them from causing damage to the eyes. This protective mechanism is vital in maintaining the health of the retina, the part of the eye responsible for vision. The benefits of consuming leafy greens extend beyond just protection. These nutrients also play a significant role in reducing the risk of chronic eye diseases, such as age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Age-related macular degeneration is a leading cause of vision impairment and blindness among older adults, but a diet rich in lutein and zeaxanthin can significantly lower this risk. Similarly, cataracts, which cloud the eye's lens and lead to diminished vision, can be delayed or prevented with adequate intake of these key nutrients. Incorporating leafy greens into your diet is straightforward and versatile. They can be added to salads, smoothies, soups, and a variety of dishes, making it easy to consume the recommended amounts of lutein and zeaxanthin. Regular consumption of these vegetables ensures a steady supply of these protective nutrients, helping to maintain eye health and prevent vision problems. Berries and citrus fruits. Berries and citrus fruits are celebrated not only for their refreshing flavors, but also for their high vitamin C content, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in eye health. Oranges, strawberries, and blueberries are among the top sources of vitamin C, which contributes to the health of blood vessels in the eyes. It's essential for maintaining the integrity of the delicate capillaries that supply nutrients and oxygen to the retina. Vitamin C's antioxidant properties also help combat oxidative stress, a process that can lead to the deterioration of vision over time. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, vitamin C helps prevent the onset of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, 2 common eye conditions that can impair vision. Furthermore, vitamin C supports the production of collagen, a protein that provides structure to the eye, particularly in the cornea and sclera. Adding berries and citrus fruits to your diet is not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a boon for your eyes. These fruits can be enjoyed fresh, in juices, or as part of various desserts and dishes. Their versatility and availability make it easy to incorporate a healthy dose of vitamin C into your daily meals, offering a delicious way to support eye health and protect against eye diseases. Eggs. Eggs, often hailed as a breakfast staple, hold remarkable benefits for eye health thanks to their dense nutrient profile. They are a rich source of lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants found in the yolk that play a crucial role in protecting the eyes. These nutrients are concentrated in the retina, the light-sensitive part of the eye, where they help filter harmful blue light, thus reducing the risk of light-induced oxidative damage that can lead to macular degeneration over time. Moreover, eggs are one of the few food sources that contain both these antioxidants in significant amounts, making them an invaluable addition to a diet aimed at maintaining eye health. The presence of lutein and zeaxanthin in eggs is particularly beneficial in protecting the macula, the central part of the retina responsible for high-resolution vision. Regular consumption of eggs can help maintain the health of the macula, ensuring clear and sharp vision. Eggs also provide other essential nutrients for eye health, including vitamin A, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids. Vitamin A is vital for maintaining vision in low-light conditions and for keeping the eyes moist. Zinc contributes to the integrity of the retina and can help in reducing the risk of macular degeneration. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, are found in high concentrations in the retina and are essential for retinal health and function. Incorporating eggs into your diet offers a simple yet effective way to supply your eyes with the nutrients they need to stay healthy. Whether boiled, scrambled, or poached, eggs can be enjoyed in various dishes throughout the day, not just at breakfast. Almonds. Almonds are a treasure trove of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that is essential for eye health. This nutrient plays a significant role in protecting the cells of the eyes from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can harm cells, proteins, and DNA. Vitamin E's antioxidant properties are particularly beneficial in slowing down the progression of age-related eye conditions, such as macular degeneration and cataracts, which are among the leading causes of vision impairment and loss in older adults. Beyond its antioxidant capabilities, vitamin E also supports the overall health of the eye by contributing to the maintenance of healthy tissue and clear vision. It works in synergy with other antioxidants, like vitamin C and selenium, to provide comprehensive protection against oxidative stress in the eye. Almonds, being one of the richest natural sources of vitamin E, are an excellent food choice for those looking to bolster their eye health through diet. Just a small handful of almonds can provide a significant portion of the recommended daily intake of vitamin E, making them an easy and convenient snack option. They can also be incorporated into various recipes, from salads to baked goods, adding both nutritional value and a crunchy texture. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, including salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are renowned for their high content of omega-3 fatty acids, essential nutrients that play a significant role in eye health. These fatty acids are crucial for maintaining the health of cell membranes throughout the body, including those in the eyes. They provide structural support to the eye's photoreceptor cells, which are vital for converting light into the images we see. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, are found in high concentrations in the retina, the layer of tissue at the back of the inner eye. They are involved in visual development and retinal function, and their anti-inflammatory properties can help prevent conditions that affect the eyes, such as macular degeneration, which is a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids play a crucial role in preventing dry eye syndrome, a condition characterized by insufficient moisture on the eye's surface, leading to irritation, redness, and blurred vision. Consuming fatty fish regularly can help maintain optimal moisture levels in the eyes, providing relief from dryness and enhancing overall eye comfort. Incorporating fatty fish into your diet can be both delicious and beneficial for your eyes. Whether grilled, baked, or added to salads and pastas, fatty fish offers versatile options for enriching your meals with omega-3 fatty acids, supporting your vision and eye health. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are not only a tasty and versatile root vegetable, but also a rich source of beta-carotene, a nutrient that is essential for eye health. Beta-carotene is a type of vitamin A, which is a critical nutrient for maintaining good vision, especially in low-light conditions. It plays a pivotal role in the production of rhodopsin, a protein in the eyes that allows us to see in low light. Without adequate vitamin A, individuals may experience night blindness, a condition that makes it difficult to see in dim light or darkness. Moreover, vitamin A from beta-carotene helps maintain a healthy cornea, the eye's outer covering, and is essential for the proper functioning of the conjunctival membranes and tear production, contributing to overall eye moisture and comfort. The antioxidant properties of beta-carotene also help protect the eyes from oxidative stress, which can lead to age-related eye diseases. Sweet potatoes can be easily incorporated into your diet in various ways, such as baked, mashed, or as fries, making it simple to enjoy the benefits of beta-carotene for your eye health. Water. Water is fundamental to maintaining overall health, including eye health. Staying adequately hydrated is crucial for sustaining a healthy tear film, which is essential for clear vision and eye comfort. The tear film is the eye's first line of defense against infection, dust, and other irritants. It keeps the eyes lubricated, washes away foreign particles, and provides a smooth surface that is essential for clear vision. Dehydration can lead to a decrease in tear production, resulting in dry eyes, discomfort, and blurred vision. Therefore, drinking sufficient water throughout the day is vital for keeping the eyes moist and ensuring that they function correctly. Water intake is especially important in dry climates or for individuals who spend long hours in front of computer screens, as these conditions can exacerbate eye dryness. Incorporating adequate water intake into your daily routine is a simple yet effective way to support your eye health, alongside consuming nutrient-rich foods like fatty fish and sweet potatoes. Wrapping up our flavorful adventure, it's clear that the path to maintaining and enhancing eye health is as delightful as it is nutritious. By inviting these 7 superfoods into your diet, you're not just treating your taste buds to a feast, you're arming your eyes with the essential nutrients they need to ward off challenges and stay sharp. Don't forget to share your journey and successes with us in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe for more wellness guides. Here's to your health and seeing the beauty of the world in high definition.